Making money on Clickbank can be hard, but it can be easy, especially with this brand new secret tool that I found called Pin Boost Secret, which is a whole program that I paid $297 for that has now allowed me to make anywhere between $9 and $100 per day on Clickbank. Now don't worry, I'm going to give this to you completely for free. Instead of $297, I'm going to give it to you for $0 from me as a gift to you in this video to hopefully get results from this, as I want you guys to make money online successfully. All you need to do is to get this page is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Comment down below that you're ready and subscribe with the red notification bell on, and I'll reply to your comment with a link to this page. All you need to do is enter your name and email, and it will be directly sent over here to your email address with the download link, where you can get it completely for free. Don't worry, I am allowed to give this away completely for free. I do have permission, so there's no copyright issues or pirating issues or anything like that. I do have the permission to give this away. Without further ado, let's not waste any time and get straight into this epic video. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online and also give away tons of giveaways in every single video. So in today's video, instead of a money giveaway, don't worry, I will announce the winner of yesterday's video at the end of this video for that $20 giveaway. But in today's video, I'm going to be giving you this Pin Boost Secrets, which actually applies with the strategy that I'm going to teach you in this video to really boost you and get tons of traffic to your affiliate link using the simple Pin Boost Secrets trick to get tons of clicks on your affiliate links and tons of sales, which over here I've gotten some days $73. Okay, the 28th of August was a bad day, only $9. My best day was $112 doing this. Today I'm at about $23 so far, so it's up and down, but considering this is all completely free traffic and I've basically made my money back on my investment already, so every single day from here after is complete profit. But you're lucky, you are scoring today if you clicked on this video, because you are getting this program completely for free without paying for it. But like I said, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see you guys leave positive comments and leaving likes on my videos, as I love recording content and talking to you guys and giving you advice every single day. Off of YouTube, I'm a full-time drop servicer, e-commerce and trader as well, which is content I will be bringing on my channel soon. I'm actually going to be doing a $0 to $100,000 trading challenge in just 1 year, maybe towards the end of this month sometime. So this is a whole content series. There's just a bit of planning that I've got to do on how to create the content. So I'm very excited to be bringing this on my channel within time. So make sure that you follow my channel to get some excellent trading content as well. But without further ado, we're gonna hop into the first step on this video. Step number 1 is come over to clickbank.com. Now, before we continue, if you are struggling to sign up on Clickbank, come over to Digistore 24, which is a fantastic alternative, and the sign up process is much easier and it's instant. With Clickbank, sometimes some countries are banned and you will struggle to sign up. I struggle to sign up myself on Clickbank because I'm from South Africa, which is not actually supported. Which is not actually supported for Clickbank, but what I ended up doing was I ended up using a VPN, but that whole method has also been banned by Clickbank. So Digistore 24, fantastic alternative. The only really way you can sign up with Clickbank if you're in a non-supported country is to contact someone in a supported country to sign up for you and just send in those login details. It's the easiest way to do that. And you can change your withdrawal information to your local bank from the back end there. So once you're on your Clickbank dashboard, you're gonna land on this page over here where you need to click on the marketplace on the top right, and you will see all the categories on the left over here. You need to go and select e-business and e-marketing, as this is the specific niche we're going to be using with this Pin Boost tool to get the most money and clicks, as this is quite a big niche right now on Pinterest. A lot of people are succeeding with this, but especially with the help of this Pin Secrets tool, you don't want to miss this. And once you've landed on the e-business and e-marketing category, we need to go and find a specific product that teaches people how to make money online, such as, for example, this ClickWealth system, which teaches people how to make money with getting traffic and getting clicks. Over here is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube jobs. This is honestly a good product to promote. You will earn $38.96 commission every time you sell the specific affiliate product. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this open on a new tab over here, and we're going to come back to this now. So let's start off by going to open up the sales page. So all you do is click on the title of this affiliate product and it will open up the sales page. The next step is you want to come over to Pinterest and create a simple and good example like this of a profile. This person over here is a one-stop guide to passive income and side hustle ideas, work from home jobs, money making tips, and enjoying the flexibility while making money from home. They've been posting for just over a year. They've hit 68,000 followers, 2.8 million views every single month. And what's generating them thousands of dollars every single day in commissions is this simple little link in their bio over here. So you want to go and create a Make Money Online Pinterest page. I suggest come up with various different names. You just want to click on the drop down of your page, click on settings. It will take you to a page over here. All you want to do is paste your affiliate link URL in the website URL of your page settings. So come over to Clickbank, click on promote of your offer that you're wanting to promote. Click on generate hop links, copy this hop link, and come over back to your Pinterest profile and paste this in the website URL. For the about your profile, you want to come back to the sales page over here, and you just want to copy some of the information off the sales page like that. You can copy and paste onto your Pinterest profile just like this. So let's just go back and just make sure it's less than 160 characters. So you can say over here, online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home, take a 1-minute quiz to find out what type of social job suits you, which is this link over here, which will lead them to this quiz page over here. Once this is done, you can click on save on your profile. And the next step is you want to click on this plus icon over here and click on create a new board and make a Make Money Online board. Once you've done that, click on create a new pin, and you want to go and add the title and the description and the destination link of your specific pin. So this destination link again will be the affiliate link of your Clickbank product, but this is where I want you to go and download this pin boost secrets over here. It will teach you the exact way on how to make attractive pins, the anatomy of pins, pin automation, and reverse engineering hacks. So like I said, in order to get that, you need to leave a like, comment down below that you're ready, and subscribe with the red notification bell on, and I will reply to your comment with the download link to this page over here where you can go and get this completely for free. Like I said, it will be sent to your email without any charge, without entering any card information. So once you've created a pin, I suggest come back to your profile. So we just click back over here, click on create a new board again, and we can go make a passive income board. You want to make sure that you select kept the secret board is off, otherwise the public won't be able to see it. Click on create. Again, we can then go and create more pins within this board. So a board acts as a category on Pinterest over here. So what I suggest is click on find some ideas for this board over here. They will give you relative content and other pins relative to the passive income topic. You can go and use some of these ideas, take a look at what people are saying. There's some people that actually take some TikToks and repost them on Pinterest to get tons of traffic over here, and literally some of these people are posting easy pins over here. Like I said, this pin secrets tool will exactly teach you how to do this, automate this, reverse engineering hacks, how to really dissect the anatomy of pins and what gets clicks, what gets views, how to get more clicks and actions on your different pins. Like I said, guys, leave a like, comment down below when you're ready, and make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on to go and get this giveaway. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little playlist here on the screen for you guys to go and make more money with Clickbank specifically and grow a huge affiliate marketing playlist. These are the best, I'm assuming, 200 videos that I've compiled together on YouTube in the last 3 years that I've posted into one simple playlist for you guys. So all you need to do is click on this playlist over here, and I will see you over there for some more epic content.